What is? Oh, sorry. What's good, boys? Today we're back with another video. Sure to recap day 46. Today I made $665 today trading GBP USD. Not New York session today. I didn't actually trade that. I'm not really gonna go over it because the past week I haven't traded New York at all because literally we've got nothing to take. TGR has taken losses all week. Don't even know how he found entries. I know how he found the entry today. He just traded at 2 off FOMC news. I'm not doing that. I'm only 3 months into this, bro. I'm not ready for that type of crap. Anyways, what we get off, I didn't even mark out London Open. Jeez. I took this trade on my phone again. Brokes. I don't even know what's going on. I woke up at like 3:25, right? Not 3:25. Sorry. No, genuinely at like closer to like 3:20 right after it, cuz like I wake up, I check my phone, I'm like, how is it already 3:20? How am I not awake? And like, anyways, I get on here, right? Price, literally right after I get up, it breaks structure. I'm like, okay, we literally could get an entry any second now. We filled this fair value gap right here on the 1 minute, get bullish closure off that. It took like an hour to get the move, so like we just had to get in here somewhere. And then what happens after that is price taps into this 5 minute fair value gap. Then we get power out of that. So boom, another 5 minute entry. That after that gets hit, it's like, okay, bro, we're more than likely gonna hit take profit. I know it looks like I closed kind of early because I got off the markets early too. I had my stops betting on price to just run through this gap, so I didn't actually take profit here or here. I took profit off this, and I could have closed partials here if I left runners and stayed on to close partials to get price running through this gap. But I wouldn't honestly do that because if price completely fills a gap, I don't think you're supposed to actually target it because that's what happened on freaking Friday. I took a loss and a win, and I could have had a way bigger take profit if I moved my junk to the liquidity that already hit the fair value gap. So literally, if we have it here, price does kind of reverse off it. Doesn't matter though. Don't hit break even, and we hit take profits. So we'll call that. You can take profits here, and then it's like price starts actually chopping it up and just moving sideways. So yeah, it would have been one here, and usually it's like leave 100 in. I definitely could have because it's like 1.21. Make 500 off this. Make like 300 off this. Could have been up closer to 800 on the day. Even off this would have been closer to like 700. But anyways, we still made like so much off this. Didn't even need to do anything else. Cause yeah, like I got off the charts right when price was at like this point right here. And then I literally just set my take profit here because I was not going to wait here for another like half an hour to get price in my take profit. I could have done that. Just didn't really feel like waiting, and I wanted to get my extra hour of sleep. But yeah, literally full confirmation, swept liquidity, and didn't push down to these lows. And if you literally look at it, you go on like the 1 hour here, there's no other lows really for price to sweep besides all of these lows. And believe it or not, these aren't equal lows. These lows are lower than these lows, so it's not that strong of a magnet. But if you just look at price right now, where's our low resistance liquidity? Not below here. This is high resistance liquidity. What's up here? Low resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity. All this liquidity up here. It's all low resistance liquidity. It all gets friggin' hit. I could have honestly, I was entering down here. I could have had all the way up to this liquidity. This doesn't happen every day, so it's not something I really want to bet on happening. That's more like a future thing when I'm not on like a funded or anything without like rules, like if I'm on my own live account. But yeah, no, like London's a little different. If I'm profitable by the end of this month, because right now I'm up on the week like probably $300 or $400, and the month I'm basically break even at like 100. If I'm profitable on the month by like pretty much just profits, if I'm profitable by the end of this month, and then I'm profitable by the end of next month, then I'll do a funded trading GBP USD because like I don't know why this just like it clicks so much better than New York does. Because, like, I know what I'm doing now, and, like, my bias is literally price sweeps out a draw, taps into some sort of fair value gap. You bet on price going higher or lower based off where it gets hit. Like, it's that simple, and you wait for all your confirmation to enter to get the correct entry point, because you don't just enter as soon as liquidity swept here. You enter once you get all your confirmations after market's already opened. Anyways, that's probably it for today. Bro. Oh my gosh, I gotta journal my trade. Frick, bro. I gotta go to sleep in like half an hour. Bro, I want to do live recaps, bro. That would be so much fun. Except I'd just be sitting there for like an hour, and then I'd just get off, and then I'd just be like, oh, Bryson might take profit. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more trading recaps. I will see you guys tomorrow for trading recap day 46. And no, day 47. So I'll see you guys then.